Hey guys, so today I'm back with my slime machine 2.0. My first slime machine got a lot of views. I think that's my most viewed video on my channel. And so many of you guys made the same type of machine, which is really cool. So this machine, I added some paint and the popsicle sticks, the shaving cream, which were all not there before, and there's a new mechanism for the coin and the slime activator. And on the side, this is where you get the quarter. Obviously, I did not finish decorating the machine and anybody could just steal the quarter right now. And this is how the back looks like. You could only supply one slime at a time. For the slime activator mechanism, you want to punch in 2 holes into a bottle cap, and it has to be the size of the straw you are using. On one of the holes, you want to insert a small straw. On the other side, you want to insert one long straw. And this is a bendy straw that I'm using. And I'm going to use another bendy straw and attach it to this one. Because the straws are the same size, they're not going to fit into each other, so I'm going to cut a little slip. And then it should be able to wrap around the straw. And because you don't want any air holes in it, you want to tape that up. Then this is how your bottle cap should look like. Afterwards, you want to screw in the bottle cap into the water bottle, and then the water bottle will be filled with your activator. My activator is 1 teaspoon of borax powder mixed into 1 cup of warm water. And you may have noticed I replaced the short straw with a little bendy straw, and that's because I'll be attaching a squeeze bottle to it. And I just found this little shampoo bottle, which is the perfect size for my straw. You want to hot glue all those together, but unfortunately I do not have hot glue, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. So this is how it works. When you squeeze the bottle, the water will come out through the other straw. It's kind of hard to see, but there is water coming out. This is how the mechanism for the glue and container works. This mechanism is not my idea at all. This mechanism belongs to Cluna Tick Dinner. This is where the quarter goes, and when you don't put the money, the popsicle sticks on both sides stop the cardboard piece from pushing this piece. And so when you put the quarter in the hole, when you push it, the quarter falls in through this hole and the container falls through this hole. So you could clearly see the coin hole right there. And then this is where the container goes. I'll do it one more time. And then when you pull it back, it returns back. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!